Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to install RemixOS on PC. RemixOS is an Android operating system which is used to run applications or games of Android on PC. First, go to RemixOS website and you can see two packages. One is 64-bit package and another is 32-bit package. Go to system properties and check your processor based. If it is multiply 64-bit processor, then download the 64-bit file, and if it is 32-bit based processor, then download the 32-bit package or file. It is very simple but very important step for all of you. Go to the file location and extract the file. I have already extracted it, so I will go to next step. Now run the RemixOS PC installation tool. You can install RemixOS on hard disks or on USB drive. It is your wish, you can choose any one of those. You have to just browse the drive, if it is C, D, E or F. Browse the ISO and this is your step. Choose any one and the drive in which you want to install. Press on OK and the installation will begin. I have already installed, so it is showing me that RemixOS is already installed. So I am skipping it, and now it is the booting menu. I booted my PC, and when I booted, it shows me two options: RemixOS and Windows 8.1. Just simply choose RemixOS. You can dual boot with it also. If you want to go to Windows, just press on Windows. It will take some time to boot. But it will not stuck like Phoenix OS on boot. So it is a very good solution for them. For first boot, it will take 5 to 10 minutes. Be patient. Now this is a screen where Phoenix OS is stuck, but the RemixOS does not. It will simply boot. As I told you, it will take 5 to 10 minutes for first boot. So I am skipping to the next screen. Now it is showing me to select your language. I am simply selecting English. Press on next. User agreement, press on agree. Select a Wi-Fi. Activate the Google Play. This is it. Setup has completed.